Hi everyone, my name is Shubham and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to prepare Angel's cake. Actually, my baby turned 4 months old, hence I thought to prepare a cake especially for her. By the way, she is a pet dog, but for me, she is a sweet little angel. So without further ado, we'll start with this recipe. So we'll start with the ingredients and you'll require 4 cup of oats. I've used the Quaker Oats company ka oats. Then 3 cups of water. You can also use 1 more cup if you want. Then we'll require 2 tablespoons of organic vegan peanut butter. It should be sugar free and salt free. The next ingredient that I've used is 1 refrigerated egg. Then I've also used 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You can also use half teaspoon if you want. Moving on further, we require 2 teaspoon of vegetable oil. And last but not the least, we'll require 2 whole ripe bananas. Before I begin to prepare our cake batter, what I've done is with the help of fork, I've mashed up all the bananas until they form like a slimy paste like consistency. And what these bananas will help us is in binding, moistening and add a sweet flavor to the cake. So to prepare our cake batter, in a big size bowl transfer the oats, pour in the water. Then we'll add the vegetable oil, the baking powder. Moving on further, transfer all the mashed up bananas, the refrigerated egg, and last but not the least, add in the peanut butter. Once all the ingredients are incorporated in the big bowl, start mixing them thoroughly and make sure that there are no lumps or anything formed while doing this. Moving on further, transfer this same cake batter in a cake mold. I've used a silicone cake mold, but you can use any type of cake mold that you have at home. Once the cake batter is transferred in the cake mold, spread it evenly and tap it so that everything is leveled out as seen in the clip. Once done, it should look smooth and evenly spread out before transferring the same into a microwave to bake. Preheat the microwave for around 190 degrees Celsius and जब वो हो जाए तब you can transfer the cake and let it bake for around 55 minutes approximately. And once that is done, let it cool down in the refrigerator for around 1 hour. The cake is ready and you can observe that it's pulled inwards from the cake mold as well as it's cracked from the middle, and these are the signs that the cake is perfectly baked. It's a bit dense and quite firm in between because the batter wasn't runny enough, but that's not something to be worried of. I have transferred the cake on a rack and here it is. Our angel cake is ready for your pet baby to relish on. It's only meant for your pet dog, hence don't get greedy and take a piece of it. I don't know how the taste is, but the aroma is very good, and Blossom, my pet dog, she loved it a lot. So if you like this dish, then do follow the drill. That is, like this video, share it with your family and friends, do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Bye, take care, be safe, much love.